So I have these old shorts that I just added hooks and eyes to for the fly front closure. There used to be Velcro here. I removed it fully. There was Velcro here. Velcro gets old and the hook part of the Velcro definitely wears out, and then the hook and the fluffy part of the Velcro don't attach anymore. So the Velcro stopped working a while ago, and I added some hooks and eyes on top of the Velcro to help keep it closed, but it was finally time to just completely remove the Velcro squares that were here and remove the old hooks and eyes that I had put on. And then I just replaced it with some new hooks and eyes. This is the eye side. And then I have the hook side here. One thing that's nice about getting rid of the Velcro is I feel like Velcro always causes damage to other garments in the wash or the dryer. I always pull it out and I'm peeling other garments off of the Velcro of these shorts, and it definitely causes damage. So I'm happy to fully be getting rid of the Velcro just because it's not good and it ends up damaging more delicate garments. And so all I did here was I removed the Velcro and I removed the old hooks and eyes. And then I just sewed on the new eyes and the new hooks exactly in the places where the old Velcro was and where the old hooks and eyes were. Just use the exact same placement. Sewed on the new eyes, sewed on the new hooks, so 3 closure placements total. It's pretty good for now. I'm hoping it'll hold up a little while longer. I love these shorts. They're like a favorite pair of shorts of mine. I've had them for years and I would like to keep wearing them just because they're so comfortable and they're so sort of like versatile. You can actually like swim in them. You can run in them, you can swim in them, you can like wear them to bed like pajamas. They're just really great shorts with a really great fabric that you can kind of do almost anything in them. And they're very comfortable. Let me know if you try something like this. Feel free to leave comments or questions below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.